Now we are going to see how digital Abacus app works. We have to download LearnClue app and LearnClue Abacus app both from Play Store. Then first go to the LearnClue app where you will see this and touch Digital Abacus. It will take you to the login page. Give the user ID and password. After successful login, it will be taken to your course page. Here you will see Abacus app and live classes app. Now as we are looking into Abacus practice app, touch this Abacus practice app. It will directly take you to the app, and here we are having a three categories: star juniors, juniors and seniors. So you have to select any of this particular thing. Now I am taking juniors. In this we have 1 2 3 4 levels and I am choosing level 1. In this level 1 you have number of techniques. These number of techniques are available to do practice. So you have to define yourself in which title you are supposed to do a practice. Now I am taking direct sums. Once I touch the direct sums, the options will be popped out like this. Would you like to do practice or would you like to do exam? So we have to choose any one of these. I am choosing practice. Soon after that, the digital Abacus tool will come into the picture. On the tab left hand side, you will see problems. In this practice we have 20 problems. Under which title we are doing? It is in direct sums, and next to that the timer is running in how much time you are doing this practice, and there is a reset button which to clear Abacus. Okay, now in the right side you will see the sum over here. Okay, now we will move beats according to the sum. 2 minus 1 plus 6. Once your sum is done, click the next button. Another sum, one more sum, minus 1 plus 5. Next, I am done with this sum. 12 minus 11 plus 21. Next, 12 minus 11 plus 15. Next, 7 plus 2 minus 1. Next, 4 minus 3 plus 5. Next, 55 plus 3 minus 7. Next, 86 minus 15 minus 21. Next, like this you can do all 20 sums practice. I am just taking forward. Would like to show you the report also. Here you see, in this it is been clearly stated that you have done the number of questions has been given 20. In this 11 are right and 9 are wrong. And in how much time you have done this practice? It is 1 minute 40 seconds. And you wish to see the answers, click on view answers. See, in view answers it is clearly stated question and the answer which you have given and correct answer. All these things are been available so that it is for ready reference. So from here onwards, see the problems wherever you have given wrong answer, it will show as a 0. I mean red. In red color it will show the result. Okay, so go back to the thing, and once the practice is done and you wish to practice one more time, then click the 3 dot button and home will come. You just press the home button. It will take you to the again same page. Come to junior, click on that level 1, and again you do practice by touching direct sums. So Like this you can do n number of practices. There is no limit. Okay, and if you wish to take an exam, click the exam button. So in exam the time limit will count down from 5 minutes to 0. It is a reverse countdown will be done. So in this particular time only the same 20 problems you are supposed to do it. Like this you are supposed to answer the things in a given 5 minutes of time. So I'm just taking to the end session. See, here 2 are right, 18 are wrong. Okay, like this we can do both practice and we can take an exam, and all these analytics will be clearly recorded in the user ID. And now you can go back to the LearnClue. This is how it is going to be. Thank you.